The topic of today's video is how to get StockX free shipping. Now, guys, there's no way to get StockX free shipping other than when StockX has certain promotions on. Like, for instance, if you went to Groupon and you found a promo code for free shipping, or a while back they had an offer where you could buy, I think it was 5 different pairs of shoes or something like that, valued at a certain amount, and you would get free shipping on your order depending on your specific region. But again, those are all things that are sort of promotional. So the only way to really get free shipping is by StockX actually having a promotion at a certain time for it. It's not like other stores where, let's say, you buy 3,000 rands worth of shoes or product and you'll get free shipping once you reach a certain amount. It's always only promotional. Sorry for the bad news. Unless there is a promotion running, then I guess good news. Do consider liking and subscribing. We drop content all the time, and I will see you in the next video.